they have to go already, they cannot. They are the airport people there will be chasing you.
There's a queuing spot.
There's a queuing spot.
But the queuing is like 4-5 hour average waiting time lah. So no point waiting. So I have to drive all the way out. At least extra 40 kilometer. I drive extra 40 kilometer with around 40 minutes.
Yeah.
To head back to KL. Also not worth it.
Nobody. I see.
It's like the distance I drive and the time I spend is like not worth it.
Yeah.
So I totally ban airport. I get better earning when I didn't take any airport trip. Yeah, I already checked my income, everything. Already confirmed, no airport, better income.
Take the second exit.
Some others are really. I use the cab. I use Grab or taxi.
Actually, taxi charges cheaper if they follow the meter.
But they don't follow. Mine don't follow meter already. My taxi driver no more follow meter. One time fare.
One time fare. Okay. No okay.
Okay lah, the price is reasonable lah. Then come back, you will pick me up also.
Wow.
I'll tell you what time I'm arriving.
Because now airport price some people they throw until 50 ringgit they also willing to go.
Aiyo.
Yeah lah.
So cheap. So cheap.
Yeah lah.
Airport is far, no?
They only think about the figure. They only see the figure only. And then a lot of drivers they are extremely lazy. They like to go airport and wait for 4-5 hours just for another trip down. 4-5 hours you divide by 65, so per hour how much you get? Per hour you get like 10 ringgit only. It's like I don't know they can finish SPM or UPSR or not. basic mathematics only lah.
Maybe they want to rest there lah, that's why.
Lazy lor.
Lazy lah.
1,000 plus driver.
Enough pocket money like that lah.
That time lah. Like enough eat, enough spend after petrol. Okay, go back. With me I different. Every day I finish at 8. Every day I finish at 8.
400 meters.
You start at what time?
Start latest most late I start around 10 or earlier. If early I start around 7, 8 or.
So you don't join the office crowd lah. You don't take the office people.
I prefer jam at evening instead of morning. You can choose either one only. You jam at morning or you jam at evening. If you want to jam at 2 times, then stressful.
Stress lah for that. Don't need to stress out. So this is Felden. Government building.
Turn left and then turn
I
right.
didn't know here can do Grand Eagle.
Go by the Bagway. Okay, road already. Turn left, then turn right. This one is like government quarter. Just go down.
What place is this?
All the shortcut. So you know this.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Every day.
Every day. People don't want to give way now. They cannot take the rest of the hospital. Cannot scolding.
That day got customer took durian up my car.
Oh, you finish
No, the durian if not open, maybe in proper wrap, okay lah. But the problem is that all the durian chopped already. I didn't know. Then suddenly they put the customer put at the back. I didn't notice. Then my whole car full of durian smell. Then ngam got the Japanese customer. They like, !aiyo!
Finish lor.
Yeah lah. Okay lah, luckily.
But they know lah. Isn't it? They should be used to it.
Japan people, !aiyo!
Japanese no,
They don't eat durian one lah.
Don't like. Don't like.